Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Fiesta air vent. First, ensure you have the right tools to avoid damage. You'll need a plastic trim removal tool, which is essential for prying without scratching. A small flathead screwdriver can also be helpful for releasing stubborn clips. Always place a soft cloth around the vent to protect your dashboard from any accidental marks during the process. Let's get started. Now, let's begin the removal process. Start by carefully inserting your plastic trim removal tool into the edge of the air vent. Look for a small gap where you can get leverage. Gently begin to pry around the perimeter of the vent. You'll feel the clips releasing as you go. It's crucial to work slowly and apply even pressure to avoid snapping any of the delicate plastic tabs that hold the vent in place. Patience is key here. After you've successfully loosened all the clips around the vent, you can now gently pull the entire vent assembly straight out from the dashboard. Be mindful of any wires that might be connected. Many vents have electrical connectors for features like hazard lights or illumination. Carefully disconnect these by pressing the release tabs. Once free, place the removed vent in a safe spot where it won't get scratched or damaged while you work on other components. To reinstall, simply reverse the steps. First, ensure all electrical connectors are securely reattached to the vent. Then carefully align the vent with its opening in the dashboard. Apply firm, even pressure around the edges until you hear the clips snap back into place. Make sure it's flush and secure. And hey, while you're working on your car, remember to stay hydrated. Check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.